Kids, do you know even animals have their food choice? Animals are classified into three categories according to their food choice. They are herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. Herbivorous. An herbivore is an animal that is adapted to eat plants. For example, cow, sheep, and goat. These animals have grass and plants as their food. Carnivorous. Animals that eat only meat are called carnivorous. They are also called as meat eaters. Example, lion and tiger. Lion hunts other animals such as deer, rabbit in the forest as its food. Omnivorous. An animal that feeds both on plants and animals are called omnivorous animals. Example, bear, man. Bears eat plants and meat as primary food. Kids, now let us learn some terms connected with the food habits. Vegetarianism is the practice of a diet that excludes meat, fish, and poultry. There are several variants of the diet, some of which also exclude eggs and some products produced from animal labor such as dairy products and honey. A spider lives in a web. It builds its web of its own. Web is made by a spider from the sticky thread that is produced from its mouth. A spider reserves their likely foods as a ball. Kids, every animal has some unique quality. Come, let us see some of those animals here. Zebra. Zebras are best known for their distinctive white and black stripes. Their stripes come in different patterns unique to each individual. A zebra looks like a horse. Snake. Snakes are legless. It can crawl. A snake doesn't have eyelids and external ears too. Snakes use smell to track their prey. It smells by using its tongue. Some snakes are very dangerous and poisonous.